Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting CarPlay communicating with your iPhone. This avoids delays later. Plug or pair and open the Maps icon on the CarPlay screen. Once done, either tap Search to type an address or press and hold the voice button to ask Siri. You do this because Siri keeps your eyes on the road and CarPlay mirrors navigation in a driver-friendly layout. Make sure to accept location permissions and choose driving as the route preference so estimated time and traffic are accurate. You now refine the route and behavior to match real driving needs. Select the route option that balances time and distance and toggle avoid tolls if preferred. This changes the path immediately. Next, preview turn-by-turn to check tricky junctions and enable lane guidance so you know which lane to occupy. Once done, add intermediate stops for fuel or brakes by tapping Add Stop or telling Siri. This preserves ETA and recalculates seamlessly while keeping navigation continuous. You follow navigation prompts while maintaining safe attention to the road. Glance at junction views when needed and follow the lane guidance. When you reach the destination, tap End or tell Siri to stop navigation. This clears the route but preserves recent destinations for the next trip. If CarPlay stops responding, try reconnecting the cable, toggling Bluetooth off and on, or restarting your phone. If problems persist, reset CarPlay under Settings to re-establish a clean connection and restore normal navigation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.